It's Larra J. It's so good to be back here on my channel. As you can see on the title, today's video is about my easy and quick summer makeup routine. But before anything else, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and click that notification bell beside it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. And for more updates, just please follow me on my social media handles. It is always linked down below in the description box. And without any more chika, let's get started! But before we start, please don't forget to apply a sunscreen or sunblock for sun protection, of course, before applying your makeup. It is very important for everyday and especially ngayong summer. So for my base, I will be using this Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Radiant Beige. So what I'm going to do is, ipo-focus ko lang muna siya sa center ng aking face, and then i-blend ko siya palabas. I'm just going to apply first at the back of my hand. So, one pump lang muna. And for blending, guys, I will be using this AC Air Blender sponge. So, I have a review on this one. So, if you haven't watched it yet, I will be putting the link up here. This is the foundation, guys. And then, maglalagay lang ako sa center lang muna ng aking face. Up next is the concealer. I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm in the shade Sand or 20, and I'm just going to conceal my under eyes and also yung mga blemishes ko, and i-highlight ko na rin yung some areas on my face. After that, guys, let's proceed with the blush. So I'm just going to use the Skinpotions Dream Cream, and this is in the shade Harper. What I'm going to do is, kukuha lang ako ng product, and then i-apply ko siya at the back of my hand. Ayan. And then i-mix ko siya with my foundation na ginamit earlier. This technique, guys, yung minimix yung tint sa foundation, is perfect for you guys out there na takot masobrahan sa pag-a-apply ng blush. So, kukuha lang ulit ako ng sponge, guys, and yun yung gagamitin kong pang-apply. So, kukunin ko lang siya at the back of my hand. Ayan. And then, maglalagay lang ako dito sa upper part ng cheeks ko, malapit na sa under eyes. Mag-a-apply ako ng konting-konti sa bridge ng aking nose. Dun sa bottom part ng sponge, guys, kung saan tayo nag-blend ng foundation, babalikan natin ulit yung blush para mag-tone down siya ng konti. And now, let's proceed with the bronzer. So, same goes with the blush earlier. Imimix ko pa rin siya with my foundation. So, ang gagamitin ko is the Colourette Shimmertints in the shade Tiger's Eye. Then, I'm just going to apply this, guys, where I usually bronze up. So, this is just a subtle bronze glow, guys. So, hindi siya ganon kakita. But, once you look closely, nakikita mo talaga yung pagiging bronzy, glowy effect niya. So, that's what I like. Lalo na for summer. Kasi kapag natamaan to ng araw, guys, or ng light, kitang-kita yung pagiging bronzy, glowy ng skin mo. Let's set our face. I will be using the Ellana Mineral Cosmetics Powder Foundation. And this is in the shade Hazelnut. So, magsiset lang ako, guys, sa areas where I usually oil up. Now, after setting the face, let's proceed with the brows. So, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Define and Blend Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Gray Brown. And I'm going to set it with the Daiso Eyebrow Gel in Clear 1. Brow pencil, guys, will give you that natural brow finish. That's why ito yung gagamitin ko for my summer makeup. For the eyes, I will be using the Tiger's Eye again from Colourette Shimmertints. So I'm just going to apply this little by little all over my lids. For the mascara, of course, my favorite, which is the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. Of course, we want that glow for the summer. So for that, I will be using the Colourette Shimmertint again, but this is in the shade Yellow Diamond. So this is perfect, guys, for that golden glow talaga, as in. And then I'm just going to get a brush to apply it on the areas where I usually put my highlight. I will be using the same product na ginamit natin as a blush, and this is the Skinpotions Dream Cream again in the shade Harper. And finally, to set this makeup look, guys, I will be using my Maybelline Superstay 24-hour setting spray. And we're done.